When I first looked out, there was a significant flame coming off the top of the building. Right before that, I had heard what sounded like a helicopter. I don't know if it tried to land up there, if it was coming by to look at what's going on the roof. Couldn't tell. Have not heard any sirens yet, so whatever is going on presumably just happened.